Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will see how you can get notifications on WhatsApp about the product getting out of stock from your e-commerce store. So guys, suppose that you're in an e-commerce store that you have created with the help of Shopify application. And guys, in every e-commerce store, you have to keep the inventory and stock details updated for you and for your customers. Okay, so guys, you have to manually check for the stock and the inventories and you have to manually keep it updated. So guys, here we have created and designed an automation for you which will keep you informed about the product getting out of stock from your e-commerce store. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is the flow of this automation. Here we are using Shopify to create an online store. In place of this, you can use any other shop building application like WooCommerce as well, right? And here, as and when any product get out of stock, a WhatsApp message will be delivered to you as a notification telling you that this product get out of stock and you have to update it. So guys, this will save your time and your energy and your manual efforts in manually checking the data and keeping the inventory updated in your store. And guys, to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge very easily. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now here and then log in to reach on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a relevant name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Shopify product notification on WhatsApp. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page started loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So guys, this is the basic building blocks of this automation. Trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger, and it will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. So in this use case, the trigger would be getting a product sold out from your e-commerce store or your Shopify store, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a notification message to the owner of the store. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application as Shopify. Okay, here it is selected, and in the trigger event you have to select new product updated option, this one. So select product updated and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with our Shopify store, and after that we are going to capture the response of that Webhook connection. So first of all, you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. Let me tell you how exactly you can do that. So guys, this is my Shopify store's dashboard, and here you can see on the left hand side panel in the last we have the settings option. So click on settings. All right, and on the settings page, scroll down and you will find this notifications option. Click on it, and under the notifications, when you scroll down, guys, you will find the Webhook section. So here is the Webhook section. So you have to click on this create Webhook button to add a Webhook, and in the event section you have to select an event which is called product updated. You can read it here in the instructions, product update. Okay, so search for product update here. Here it is selected. Keep the format as JSON only, and in this URL field you have to paste this URL. So just copy this Webhook URL from here and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, and then select the Webhook API version, the latest one. Okay, then click on save, and you can see your new Webhook connection is saved here successfully, right? And here you can see in your workflow, as I have copied this Webhook URL, it started showing here waiting for the Webhook's response. So guys, this means now we have to perform a test submission. So test submission means we are going to make a test purchase from our e-commerce store of that product which is remaining last in the stock. That means if we purchase that product, the product will go out of stock. You can see in my inventory details in my Shopify stores dashboard. Here is a product, you can see an LG camera we have, which is only one remains in the stock. So we are going to purchase this product. We are going to make a test purchase of this product, and then this product will be out of stock. And as this product goes out of stock, the data of that product will be captured here in this workflow in this response section. Okay, so here is my store page. Okay, here is my store page, and here is the LG camera. I'm opening this and I'm going to add this product to cart. Okay, or actually I'm clicking on buy it now. Okay, and let's make a demo purchase here. So here it is asking for the details of the customer. So here I am putting the email address of the customer, the region, and here let me put the details of the customer. Karan Jain is our customer, address is this. Okay, and here I'm going to put the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, like this. Then I'm clicking on continue to shipping. Okay, yeah. So here it is asking for the city details. Let me fill it quickly. And here you can see, from here I'm going to click on continue to payment, and we are going to make a test payment. This is not an original payment, so I'm using the test card details here. Okay, so we are in the test mode. So these are the details of the test purchase, and here I'm clicking on pay now, and you can see our order is getting processed. So you can see here it is saying thank you Karan, your order is confirmed and this order is completed, and the product goes out of stock. Guys, let me show you in my inventory now. I am refreshing this page, and you can see now here the LG camera goes out of stock. Here it is showing 0 now. So let us check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this product getting out of stock, and here you can see we got the data in this response received section. The title is LG camera, and this is the updation date, and here you can see the pricing and all other details related to the product purchases here. Right now guys, I want to send a notification message to the owner, or to, let's say this is my store only, so I want a notification to me, and I'm going to get it on WhatsApp that this product got out of stock, so I can change the inventory details. Okay, or I can acquire more of those products, right? So here guys, you can see in these labels that we have received here in this data, we have received a label which will show you the status of the product. So here you can see we got this label guys showing inventory quantity, and here it is showing you the value as 0. So I'm going to use this label to apply a condition, and that condition is when a product got out of stock, only then send me a message. Okay, I do not want to receive message for every product getting sold. I only want to receive the messages for the products who are going out of stock. So I'm going to apply this condition here. So to apply that condition, use this action step, and from here search for filter, select filter here, and it is going to filter out the products which are going out of stock, and I'm going to filter it out with the help of this inventory quantity label. So here you can see it is asking to select the label. So when you click here, it will show you this Shopify step in the drop down. So when you click on it, you will see all the data that you have received in the first step, and here I am going to map this inventory quantity label, making the filter type equals to, and putting the value here as 0. So this means we are saying to Pabbly Connect that when the inventory quantity label shows you the 0, then only continue the workflow. Okay, so when you click on save and send test request here, it will show you the condition is true for now, but when this condition meets false, it will not work. Okay, and when this condition is true, what we want, I want to receive a notification message, and for that to happen, just click here on the plus icon, and from the section step search for WhatsApp's cloud API. So the Cloud API is the recently launched feature by Facebook for connecting people and businesses to the API or application programming interface of WhatsApp so that they can connect their numbers with the API and send messages to WhatsApp to many people at once, right? So if you want to know how to use that API, how to set up that Cloud API and how to connect your number with the API, you have to watch the videos from the description, guys, where we have thoroughly explained everything about the Cloud API setup. So you can watch those videos, set up your Cloud API, and after that you can use it here. And here in the action event, you have to select the send template message option, then click on connect. And from here, if you're making this connection for the very first time, you have to select add new connection option. And then you can give a name to this connection also. Here you have to put the permanent access token of the Cloud API setup, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about these things and the API connection setup with Pabbly Connect, you can just click here on this here word from the help text written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here you will find these two videos. First video is for the complete API setup guide inside Pabbly Connect, and second video is for generating the permanent token. And then you will find these steps along with the screenshots to help you understand about the Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. So you can learn everything about it from here only. And guys, to find these three things, I can show you my Cloud API setup. You can see this is Meta for Developers page, and I have created an app here, which is this, and I'm under WhatsApp's Getting Started page. So in the Getting Started page of WhatsApp, first of all, you will find the temporary access token. But guys, temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent token, access token of the Cloud API. And if you want to know how to generate that, you can watch the videos from the description or from this forum page. Here is the video. So you can watch it and generate the permanent token. And after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use that same token afterwards also. And guys, you have to after generating the token, you have to copy and paste it here in the token field. And the phone number ID, you can see here, we got the phone number ID here. Okay, so you can copy it from here only, paste it here like this. Similarly, you will find the business account ID, copy it and paste it here, right? And after filling all three things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with the Cloud API setup. And guys, this connection that you are making here is going to be saved here in your account. Okay, so making the connection by this process is a one-time process, guys, because the connection is going to be saved here. And after that, if you want to make the connection again, you can use that already saved existing connection. Okay, as I have already made many connections in different workflows previously with my Cloud API setup, so I can use those existing connections. Let me show you how. So you can see here I have this select existing connection option. So by selecting this, you will find the connections list here. So when you click on this select connections option, it will show you the list of all the existing connections or previous connections I have. So from here I can choose any one. So I'm selecting this one, guys, like this, and now I just have to click on save and I'll be connected again like this. Okay, right. And here it is asking for the templates name. So first of all, let me tell you what message templates are. So guys, you can see here in the send messages with the API section, it is written here to create your own message template. Click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach this page, guys. Let me show you. So this is the message template section, guys, and these are the message templates I have. So message templates are the standard message structures that you have to create here. And after that, you can use those templates to send messages to your customers and to yourself. Okay, so to create such a template, let me show you the one that I have created for this purpose. This is the message template I have created. You can see named as out of stock, and you can see the preview of this message here. So this is the message and here's the preview. This is how the message is going to look like when I'm going to receive it on getting a product out of stock. Here it is saying, hi Roger Binney. So it is just a sample name. This is an alert informing you that the product name book ID this has gone out of stock. So this is a sample name and the sample ID. So this is how a message is going to be received by the person whose product are going out of stock. And here, guys, you can see in this template we have a name here and the product name here and the product ID here. So these are the things which I want to change with every new message, and to change these things dynamically with every new message, I have added some variable tags inside the message body. So you can see this is the body or the text message, and here you can see I have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and 3. These are called the body fields or the variable tags of the message. So let me show you how you can create such a template. So you can see on this page I have this create message template button. So click on it and you will find these three categories here to create message template. First is the transactional category, second is the marketing, and third is the OTPs. So you can select any one of the categories to create a template. So I'm selecting marketing here, and here you can give a name to your template, any name that you want, and here you can select the language in which you want to send the message, like this. Okay, and after that you have to click on continue from this top right corner button and you will reach this page, and here it is showing you the header section. So you can add a header in your message template, and in that header you can add text or you can send media, and in media you can send an image, a video, or a document. So whatever you select here, you have to add a sample of that thing too also. So let's say I'm selecting an image here. You have to select you have to select a sample of that by clicking on this add sample button. Here you can select upload a sample, right? And after that it will show you this body box, and here in the body box you have to type the message that you want to send. Okay, so you can type it like this, and if you want to place the variable tags or the body fields, just click here on this add variable button, and that's how a tag will be or a body field will be added here, right? After that you can add a short line in the footer as well, or you can add a button also, a call to action button or a quick reply button in the same template. Okay, and then you can see the preview, and after that click on submit and submit the template. Okay, and after getting this template submitted, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it, and it will just take a few minutes. And after getting your template approved, you can use it to send messages through your workflow or automation, right? So here guys, it is asking for the template's name. So from this list, when you click here, it will show the list of all the templates you have, and from here you can search for your template, which is here out of stock. So let me search for my template here. This is it, select it. All right, and after that scroll down here, and here it will ask for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the person who is running the e-commerce store. So here I'm going to put my number, so because I want to receive the notification messages, right? And you have to put this number in this exact format with the country code. 91 is for India, you have to put yours, and without any plus sign, right? After this it is asking for these body fields. So as I have shown you already that we have 3 body fields here in my template. So we can change 3 things inside the message body: the name, the product name, and the product ID. And to get these 3 things changed dynamically with every new message, we need to map the values of these 3 things here. So we are going to use the first step, the previous step in which we got the test data captured, to map the data. Okay, so you can see we have received the customer's name and the product's name here. Actually we do not want customer's name, we want the product name and the product ID only, because I'm sending this message to myself. Okay, so in the first body field I'm going to enter my name only. Okay, like this. And the second body field, we need to map the product's name, which you will find here in the first step. Just map it from here. And in the third body field, use the first step to map the product ID. Here is the product ID. So map the ID from here like this. Okay, and we are done mapping the data. Now guys, you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. And guys, I have the access of this WhatsApp account, so I can show you the message. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. Now let me show you the message. So guys, this is a message we have received. Let me show you. Here it is saying, hi Akib Javed, this is an alert informing you that the product name LG camera ID this has gone out of stock. So this is kind of a notification I have received, And you can see in place of the name, we got the name placed. In place of the variable, second variable tag, we got the product name placed, and here we got the product ID placed automatically. So this is how it is going to work, and this is the same details that I have mapped here. So when you map the data like this, what will happen? So we are done setting up this automation. Now as in when you get any product got sold out or out of stock, these labels are going to change and a new message will be delivered to you with the new data. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the details here. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you will get any product out of stock from your e-commerce store, you will receive a notification message automatically. And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.